welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, the sound speaker in the SONY Xperia 10 Plus phone. For this we need a brush with flexible bristles so that they're soft or medium hard. A hard one will scratch your phone. Isopropyl alcohol so that everything is clean, first to soften the dirt so it comes out, and then so it evaporates and leaves no trace. You can buy both of these things as a set on Allegro or Amazon, and if you don't have them, you can use a regular toothbrush. And make sure to get some alcohol because alcohol is necessary. The phone must be completely turned off. Never clean your phone while it's turned on. Soak the brush with alcohol thoroughly. Take the phone in your hand. Here we have the buzzer. Here and here in general, but this spot is where you can clean the most. Clean it with a steady motion. Let's say 10 strokes in one direction. You can do about 10 strokes in the other direction as well. About 10 strokes in the other direction too. And the same about 10 strokes in the other direction. If needed, you can repeat this 2 or 3 times in each direction, so about 20 or 30 strokes each way. Then you can see whether it's clean or not. And if not, then just 10 or 15 strokes in one direction will be enough for you. I always do 20 or 30 strokes, so here I have all the parts of the phone perfectly cleaned. Why use a steady motion in one direction? Because otherwise you'd just be moving the dirt around inside the port and it wouldn't actually come out. But if you simply make a few steady strokes in one single direction, the accumulated dirt is first pushed all the way to the very end of the port, and then it is effectively pulled out by the bristles of the brush. So this method is very effective and you will find that everything will work just like new again. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 or 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and then your phone is ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and see you in my next video.